In the world of natural remedies and holistic health practices, castor oil has emerged as a powerful elixir with a multitude of benefits. Among its many applications, using castor oil before bed has gained significant attention for its potential to enhance beauty, support overall wellness, and address various health concerns. This ancient practice has been embraced by individuals seeking a gentler, more natural approach to self-care. In this video, we delve into the benefits of incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine. Nurturing skin radiance. The skin, our body's largest organ, is subject to various environmental stressors and the natural aging process. Castor oil's rich composition, primarily consisting of fatty acids and antioxidants, makes it a superb option for promoting skin radiance. When applied before bed, it penetrates deeply into the skin, moisturizing and nourishing it from within. The oil's fatty acids help restore the skin's natural moisture barrier, leading to a soft and supple complexion. Additionally, the antioxidants present in castor oil combat free radicals, potentially reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Strengthening lustrous hair. Hair is often referred to as a crowning glory, and for good reason. Castor oil's ability to promote hair growth and maintain hair health has made it a favorite among those seeking to enhance their locks. When massaged onto the scalp before bed, castor oil stimulates blood circulation, delivering essential nutrients to hair follicles. This can lead to improved hair strength, reduced hair loss, and potentially faster hair growth. The oil's ricinoleic acid content also provides antibacterial properties that could support a healthy scalp, preventing dandruff and other scalp issues. Calming aches and pains. While castor oil is renowned for its cosmetic benefits, its potential therapeutic effects should not be overlooked. When applied topically before bedtime, it may help alleviate aches and pains in muscles and joints. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties can provide relief from soreness and stiffness, making it a natural alternative for those who prefer to avoid over-the-counter pain relievers. Massaging the oil onto the affected area can facilitate absorption and enhance its pain-relieving effects. Supporting digestive comfort. Surprisingly, castor oil's benefits extend beyond external applications. When used externally as a castor oil pack on the abdomen before bed, it is believed to support digestive health. The warmth generated from the pack, along with the oil's ability to improve blood circulation, might help relax muscles in the digestive tract. This gentle stimulation could aid in relieving constipation and promoting a healthy bowel movement. Enhancing relaxation and sleep. The act of applying castor oil before bed is not just about the oil's direct benefits but also the ritualistic aspect. Engaging in a calming routine can signal to the body that it's time to wind down, potentially leading to improved sleep quality. Massaging the oil onto the skin in slow, deliberate motions can be a form of self-care that promotes relaxation and tranquility. The mild, earthy aroma of castor oil further enhances this experience, contributing to a serene pre-sleep atmosphere. Detoxification and lymphatic support. Applying castor oil before bed can have a positive impact on your body's detoxification processes. Castor oil packs, when placed over the abdomen, are believed to stimulate lymphatic circulation. The lymphatic system plays a crucial role in removing toxins and waste from the body. By encouraging lymph flow, castor oil packs could potentially aid in detoxification, supporting your body's natural cleansing mechanisms. Soothing irritated skin. For those with sensitive or irritated skin, castor oil can offer relief and comfort. Its gentle nature and hypoallergenic properties make it suitable for calming inflamed skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Applying a thin layer of castor oil before bed can create a protective barrier that helps soothe itching and redness, promoting a more comfortable night's sleep. Natural anti-aging potential. As we age, our skin undergoes various changes that can lead to the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. Castor oil's ability to boost collagen and elastin production can contribute to a more youthful complexion. When incorporated into your nightly routine, the oil's consistent application may contribute to improved skin elasticity and a reduction in the visible signs of aging. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly self-care routine can be a transformative journey towards holistic well-being. Its wide array of benefits, ranging from promoting skin radiance and hair health to supporting digestion and relaxation, speaks to its remarkable versatility.